Welcome back to our channel. Our topic for today is Murder, written by Arnold Bennett. Main characters: Lomax Harder, a well-dressed man of about 35, with refined features, fair hair, and a quiet, almost apologetic manner. He is a poet, nervous, thoughtful, and careful about what he says or does. He worries and hesitates but is also deeply involved in the tense events of the story. John Franting, also about 35, but the opposite in appearance and manner, low-browed, heavy-chinned, scowling, and defiant, the sort of person people thinks of as a tough character. He behaves bluntly and strongly, and is not easy to read. He has the air of a gambler or boxer, someone who lives by his own code. Mr. Gontal, the owner of a famous gunsmith shop in the seaside town of Quangate, known to sell excellent firearms. He is proud, even conceited, about his skill and shop's reputation. He sells weapons with the confidence of a person certain he is the best in his field. Other minor figures: Dr. Austin Bond Emily. Summary: two men, Lomax Harder and John Franting, are walking together one autumn afternoon in a seaside town in England. They look reasonably wealthy but have very different faces and manners. Harder appears gentle and thoughtful, while Franting looks rough and tough. The story quickly sets a tension between them. They enter a famous gun shop owned by Mr. Gontal. Franting wants to buy a revolver. He speaks bluntly, and Gontal talks with pride about his shop's excellent guns. Franting inspects the gun, asks to load it, and even asks about using it for suicide. Gontal agrees and shows him how to load it. Meanwhile, Harder is alone for a moment in the shop, hesitating, touching a revolver, unsure of what to do. After Franting pays and leaves with the gun, Harder finds himself holding the other revolver. He puts it into his pocket almost by accident, not having fully decided to take it or not. What follows is heavy with suspense. Harder's inner thoughts, Franting's angry or suspicious behavior, and the general fear of what might happen create a tense mood. The story deals with questions of murder, guilt, fear, and human motives. The reader wonders, will Harder use the revolver? Will Franting become violent? What really is their relationship, and what crime, if any, will occur? Without giving away every detail, the story builds to a dramatic confrontation shaped by suspicion, jealousy, and tension between the two men. It is not just a simple crime tale, it explores how people think, how quickly a situation can turn dangerous, and how appearances can hide deeper feelings and intentions. The ending leaves a strong impression of irony and uncertainty, typical of Bennett's style, showing that even people who seem calm or reasonable may be pushed into violence, or that a crime may happen when least expected. The reader is left to think about the moral and emotional weight of what the characters do and say. Thank you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more legal insights. See you in the next one.